You put water into a cup, it becomes the cup. You put water into a bottle, it becomes the bottle. You put it in a teapot, it becomes the teapot. Now water can flow or it can crash. Be water, my friend. Like that, you see?
Oh, I see. I get the idea.
Hi, welcome to this video, David. It's all about how to learn Forex trading the right way and get on the road to trading success. I've kicked off the video there with a clip of Bruce Lee there giving a very famous quote. And that quote actually is actually the secret to Forex trading success, if you keep it in mind. And by the time I finish this video, you'll understand why. Right, if you're coming to learn to trade the markets, where do you start and what do you do? Well, the first thing you need to do is don't fall for the hype that is all over the net, where people are selling Forex robots or mechanical trading systems or some insider secret, saying they can predict where Forex prices go, that they don't work. Forex prices do not move to mathematics, okay? All this mathematical technology myth that has grown up, it's basically all lies. It should be obvious to anyone that Forex markets are made up of people. People are not predictable, okay? So you cannot use mathematical equations. However, you can trade the odds, okay? And that is what Forex markets are all about. Trading high odds setups and having a system to spot them. Okay, you're going to lose some trades, obviously, but if you have good money management and a trading system with an edge, you will make money. Now, a simple trading system is all you need. Now, before I go on to talking about trading systems and strategies, what I want to make clear is that a lot of traders, or the vast majority of traders who come to trade the markets, want to scalp and day trade. This is a total mistake. It's a loser strategy. You cannot predict where Forex prices are going to go in just a few minutes, an hour, or even a day. The time period is too short. You're trading random volatility. You're going to make a lot of effort and just end up losing. Now, the majority of traders who come in the markets do scalp and day trade. Don't let that worry you at all, because obviously, over 90% of traders lose money. So what you need to do is do what pro traders do and focus on longer term trends, okay? You can either swing trade, so you'll be taking trades for a couple of days to a week, or follow really big long-term trends that can last, for weeks or even longer. And if you read up on the pro traders, they all use swing trading and trend following. You won't find day trading being a popular strategy. So once you've got your time frame you want to trade, you then just need a simple strategy. You can learn that in a couple of weeks. Simple systems work far better than complicated ones, and this is just proven in the statistics of Forex trading. 90% of traders have always lost, and they always will. That statistic never changes. So if technology made a difference, then obviously the amount of winners would have increased. It hasn't, so keep your system nice and simple. I would suggest basing it on breakout trading, really. I mean, breakout trading is a great way to make money. You just need to use price action, a few confirming indicators, and that's all you need. And you can look up my other videos on breakout trading. Now, learning a system is simple. I think anyone can do it. In fact, I know anyone can do it. But, and there is a but here, the but, of course, is that learning a simple system is not enough to make money. You actually have to execute that system with discipline, okay? And you've got to have rules, but you need to have flexibility. And you need to be disciplined at all times. I'm just going to do a great quick clip from Bruce Lee to lead me into the second part of the video. And I really like this clip, so I'll be back after Bruce has just quoted it, and then we'll look at its significance.
So what I'm saying, actually, you see, I mean, it's a combination of both. I mean, here it is the natural instinct, and here is control. You are to combine the two in harmony. Not, if you have one to the extreme, you will be very unscientific. If you have another to the extreme, you become all of a sudden a mechanical man. no longer a human being. So it is a successful combination of both. So therefore, it is not only, so therefore it's not pure naturalness or unnaturalness. The ideal is unnatural naturalness or natural unnaturalness.
Yin yang, eh?
Right, man, that's it.
Hi, welcome back to the video after that short clip there of Bruce Lee. And that quote is very significant in Forex trading in how you approach the markets. You need to approach the markets with discipline and rules and keep your emotions under control. But you also need to be flexible. Too many traders make the mistake of thinking they can make money in only one way. And I've mentioned it earlier in the video, they go for the one setup, that everything has to come together in a certain way, and they should never vary their rules. Forex trading should be based around flexibility. All chart setups are slightly different. You should have rules, but you should see each chart setup as unique and think about it, okay? And many traders are frightened of thinking in Forex trading. But you need to think. There's no way around it. And all the best traders, judge setups for themselves. They have rules. But, pulling the trigger, they make the decision, okay? And you actually have to do the same. This is not difficult if you've learned a strategy and you've got confidence in it. And, like I said earlier, a simple strategy is all that you need. What you need to do is when you trade, just pick high odds setups. So you can be very patient, but pick the setups that offer the best risk to reward and trade them. And do not be frightened about losing. Too many traders want to come into Forex and trade and not lose any trades. They believe the accuracy myth, which is like you can make 90% of your trades profitable. It's total nonsense. You'll probably only win about 50% of your trades. It doesn't matter how many trades you lose. It's the difference between the winning trades, how much profit you make, and how much you lose on your losing trades. So come in realistically and expect to lose 50% of your trades. But if you keep them small, you'll be able to run your profits on the other trades to make yourself, a really healthy income. And just to stress this point a bit more, the turtles who were taught by Richard Dennis, very famous experiment, they learned to trade in 2 weeks. He taught them from scratch. They went on to make $300 million. They lost 70% of their trades, but came out with huge profits. So you need to keep that point in mind. Now, with discipline, it's one of those traits that is talked about as being the most successful, one of the key traits for being successful in Forex trading, and it is. And I would recommend that you read up on the great traders and how important it is. There's no place for ego in Forex trading. A lot of traders, let losses run, hope they turn around. You mustn't do this. You must just cut those losses early, forget your ego, it doesn't matter that you're wrong, and basically run your profits. So when you're trading Forex, you need to have a combination. You need to have a system that is logically based, that you understand, which is simple and robust, and then combine that with the discipline to execute it correctly, keep losses small, and run profits. Now, if I go back to the water video, Bruce Lee makes a very important point there, that you basically need to be flexible, okay? And water basically adapts to what it sees or what it feels, and you must do the same. So you need to forget your opinions, and basically look at the chart and go with the flow. So basically at all times trade the chart with confidence, discipline, and what you see on that chart, okay? Don't let your ego get involved, don't let your opinions get involved. Just basically view the price action and trade it in line with your system, and you will make money. So that's the video. What I'm going to just conclude with is say that anyone has the potential to make money at Forex trading, because anyone can learn a simple system. You obviously need to keep your emotions in check, which is the key point, okay? And trade with discipline. So you need a disciplined mindset, but getting a disciplined mindset is a choice. Most traders won't make the choice to get a disciplined mindset. If you do, then basically you'll make money at Forex trading. So I hope you enjoyed this video on learning how to trade Forex. I'm just going to conclude with a quick clip of Bruce Lee, which basically stresses the point that we're all different. We are all different, but we all share a common human nature. That human nature causes most traders to lose because they can't control their emotions. And if you can, then you can be very successful at Forex trading. Thank you for watching. Take care and have a good day.
You still think of yourself Chinese, or do you ever think of yourself as North American?
You know what I want to think of myself? As a human being. Because, I mean, I don't want to sound like, as Confucius say, but under the sky, under the heaven, man, there is but one family. It just so happened, man, that people are different.